slanted night one. British. Yeah.
British?
Did he just open it up for us?
I think so.
It's always when we're not, we're thrown in.
Yeah. Let's these go. 800.
X.
Oh yes, floor X is very tall. Wow.
Where's it? No.
'54th floor.
54th floor.
What the fuck are these?
Doors opening.
54th floor.
What the fuck are these lanterns? All right.
Oh,
They have atoms. Oh my god.
Adams. When the sound of news comes.
Oh, I don't want to throw it.
This looks like a fidget spinner.
Here's your cabbie view.
Okay, what floor are we going to?
Hanging out a L.
Oh, okay.
Oh my god, it's got Mad BS Moon.
It's got 54 floors and 800 feet per minute.
Wow. That's so nuts. Can't even believe it.
Smells like he farted.
You smell like you farted. Farted.
I'm a broke bitch, you're retarded.
You smell like you farted. Farted. I'm gonna have to go and stitch these videos together. That's too much effort.
Too much effort.
Imagine having to edit your videos.
Definitely not me.
So much effort. Dude, I like the Aladdin music here. That's kind of sick. Have a good day. Thank you.